back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful Lego house, and it's really easy. And I have the rooms, a living room, a bedroom and a bathroom, and they're all very easy to make. And I used mostly general blocks that you should have, and some of them are special blocks, but if you don't have them you can use anything. So let's get started. So first of all, we have this living room, and inside the living room we have two sofas over here and a nice little table, and then over here we have a mailbox, and it actually has some mail inside. And then we have this little shelf with some flowers on top that I made, and then a TV stuck to the wall, and it's just one of these side knobs like that. And then we have this desk bunk bed, so it has a desk at the bottom and a bunk bed at the top, and then a little stool that matches the bed's colours, and then a colourful staircase to the bed. And then on the side of the room we have a little dresser and a closet, and we have this door over here and this really colourful pretty wall. And then after that we have this bathroom, and we have this bath with this nice purple mat, and then a sink with some buttons and a soap rack, and then we have this toilet with a flush. And yeah, so that's the house. So let's get started. So now we are going to build the living room, and we're going to start off by building the wall. So that's our living room done. Let's move on to the bedroom. Okay, so this is our bedroom complete. Now let's move on to the bathroom. So now let's do the bathroom, and I'm going to start off with the toilet. So now we have made our Lego house, and this is what it looks like. And I especially like this bunk bed and the TV because they're attached and they look cool. And I really enjoyed making this house, and I hope that your houses go well. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you are having fun and learning lots of things. Please remember to like and subscribe. I really enjoy making these videos for you to see. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.